Okay guys, so this is part 2 of putting the bird where I found him. So yeah, this is part 2 of putting the bird where I found him. Oh, look at him, so cute. Yeah, so let's go. So I found the bird near this tree, and the thing is I don't see any bird home near the tree, so that's the only thing that scares me. But okay, we are here with our little bird, and let's put him where I found him. Here. Okay. Oh, see? I'm not sure if you saw, but the vet said that I should do this, so yeah, I'm here doing that. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy and see you on the next video.